Andrea. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom home in Wilderness Village. Please join us, come for a walk through and see what's on offer. This luxurious home, with its elevated position in the bird sanctuary Wilderness Village, one can enjoy full ocean views across the magical village of Wilderness and also exceptional views of indigenous trees with its abundant bird life which surround this property. Stepping into the foyer of this luxury home, elegance, character, charm and sophistication are only a few words to describe its uniqueness. The finishes throughout this house are from the top drawer. Hardwood wooden floor tiles throughout the house was especially crafted to add elegance. High ceilings with exposed beams above the large living and dining room areas create an atmosphere of space and openness, while the large windows allow light and sunlight to fill the house. The 4 spacious bedrooms in the main house are all en suite. The master bedroom has its own private lounge for privacy and comfort. This exquisite home is situated in a bird sanctuary, a mere 10-minute walk to Wilderness Beach, the village with its multiple restaurants, shops and everything else your heart may desire. The purchase price includes most of the elegant furniture and appliances. The floor size of this house, 440 square meters. This beautiful home is situated on over 6,900 square meters, filled with indigenous trees and beautiful forest. The modern kitchen is fully equipped with Miele appliances, a dishwasher, washing machine and tumble dryer, hob with undercover oven and fridge freezer. While preparing meals, the chef can enjoy awesome views of the ocean. A separate 1-bedroom guest studio is an additional plus. Below the guest studio, there is a double garage with plug points allowing for additional laundry equipment.